Hi guys, Henry here. So a question I often get asked is, what is one of the better advisor-led platforms that you have in the market today? As of speaking 2021, coming up to 2022. So got a few options that are in the market. Now, like I said before, personally prefer a platform options rather than the bond options, and also if you're looking for an advisor-led platform, what are the costs and some of the reviews. So I want to go over a bit of that today. So one of the ones I personally like is Novia. It's one of the better advisor-led ones. Base costs below amount of 0.45, goes on a kind of sliding scale basis down to 0.1 if you've got amounts over 2 million US dollars or currency equivalent. Based in the UK, they've got FCA regulation, got BNP for BNP Jersey, I believe it is, for a custodian, and also they're widely used in places like Dubai, Hong Kong, and the Asia Pacific region in general. Why do I like it? It's got a good platform, it's got a wide range of assets, it's got the protection, it's got the location as we spoke about before. Its pricing also, like we said, is quite relative compared to international accounts. Particularly if you've got larger amounts, it can even kind of compete with your low-cost brokerage accounts in the UK, US, Australia for larger accounts. You like Fidelity at 0.15 Vanguards as well as that. So it competes on those levels as well. Also, as well, if you've got a pension, the SIPS account is a good option. Again, we talked about this in a number of videos, a number of blogs. £180 for the trustee. I think it may go up in 2022, still to be known. So again, refer to the website for prices with all prices that are included in this video. But it's a good account. It should be what a lot of advisors should be using if you're using an advisor. One point to be wary of is that obviously the cash management account, that is for the fees, so obviously try and keep that as low as possible and make sure it's disclosed to you prior before making any transactions. So that's my take for one of the best advisor-led platforms in the market in 2021. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out at info@investmentforexpats.com.